Hi everybody. It's getting close to Christmas and by now we probably would have done a Christmas card class, but obviously the situation being what it is, we haven't. So this year, and maybe because of COVID and everybody being in lockdown, Stampin' Up! Has actually bought us a second paper pumpkin kit, which is a Christmas kit. The last paper pumpkin class went down really well. Everybody enjoyed it. You all loved the cards. So let's do another paper pumpkin class. Let me show you the paper pumpkin kit. You get the pretty box. And once again, we could put something over there and you could use the box to give a gift. Opening it up, we have a Just Jade stamping spot. We have some red twine, glue dots, and the stamp set. With the stamp set, you've got a wreath, you've got joy, you've got a flower. That greeting says, wishing you a very happy Christmas filled with fun and laughter. That's your Merry Christmas. That's sending to you and yours to the world and the joy. So, you could make it sending joy to you and yours or joy to the world, whatever combination you like there. And then inside the box, ta-da, we have more stuff. So we've got dimensionals, and this kit is making 8 cards, but you've got 4 of 2 different designs. We've got some embossed pieces. Can we see that? So they're quite pretty. And then you've got your 8 envelopes, and although they look boring, and we all know how I hate boring envelopes, we could stamp them to decorate them, but look, they printed on the inside. So when you open up your card, you've got a bit of a fun surprise over there. Then we've got these sheets with your die cut pieces in them. So we've got sort of 4 sheets and an extra one. So using the extras, we can get an extra 2 or 3 cards out of the kit. We have the instructions. Here's just about what's in the kit. And I thought that I'd lost the cards, but no, here they are. So these are quite pretty. Again, they're all the same, but the one runs in one direction and the other one runs in the opposite direction. So, you can do your cards portrait or landscape with either your stripes running down or running across. And then we have these gold die cut pieces. So that one's come out. It's got your sentiments. It's got different languages again. We've got joy, we've got love and peace, and I think it's in French here as well. And we've got these gold banners and your pieces for stamping your sentiments on. Just showing you that. Those are the cards that you make. They are quite pretty, and like I say, you can change up the sentiments. I'll add in some extra cardstock so that we've got some designs for using up the rest of the pieces that come in the kit. Now, I'd like to get onto this relatively quickly just because, like I said, we are already late and the post office has said that we should be posting Christmas cards early. What I'm thinking is if we do it in 2 weeks' time, so if I can have confirmation by next weekend about who wants to join the class. I'll then place the order next weekend, have the paper pumpkin shipped directly to you. It normally takes about 2 to 3 days to get here. I find that if I place an order today, it's here by Tuesday. Parcels coming from Sydney seem to be really fast at the moment. Letters going from Melbourne to Melbourne take 2 weeks, but that's besides the point. So what I'm thinking is Saturday the 21st. So if I can have confirmation by then about who wants to join the class. If you want the kit only, it's going to land up costing $50 for the class. So that's the kit plus shipping, plus the extra pieces that I'll then send out to you. Everything is included in the kit, in the paper pumpkin box. The only thing that you're going to need extra is your block to stamp with. So if you need it with the block, then it's going to be $65. We'll do a Zoom class again. Looking at the new rules, after that, we should be able to get together to do in-person classes, but at least we will have got a start on Christmas cards. Looking forward to seeing everybody virtually again, and hopefully it's going to be the last time, and then going forward we can do in-person classes again. Please let me know ASAP if you want to join, and I'll get those orders in as soon as you confirm. Hoping to see you then. Bye.